Hey guys, welcome back to Rusty Autoholic Garage. Today, we installed the AW4 on the V2403. Hey guys, so this day did not turn out the way I had envisioned it going at all. My vision was AW4 mounted to the V2403, possibly having the cross member cut out with plasma cutter and welded up and installed. And as you can see, no transmission. I have removed the motor mounts, and I now have the engine sitting on the bolts on the original motor mount tabs on the frame. I am designing my own, well, my buddy Ronnie is designing new motor mount plates. We're dropping them just straight down. It's a 2-inch drop, almost exactly. And it just needs to be done. You know, I know some people had said, oh, hey, are you gonna have, you know, problems with it being top heavy? It was never gonna be top heavy. That wasn't the issue. However, I started running into a lot of problems today with the transmission hitting the body of the TJ. So this has set me back another couple of days at least. I called the wonderful people at Brown Dog Offroad. Huge shout out to them. I explained what was going on. They have designed their mounts very well, very specifically, but you can only take apart one side of their mounts. So they are working with me to send another set of the super flexible rubber disassembled, because it's going to be exactly what I need. I need to run to the metal store and get more metal tubing, and I'll probably do that Monday. But yeah, so that's where I'm at. I went 1 step forward, 5 steps backwards. But in truth, lowering the engine is going to solve a ton of problems. I really didn't want to do it. I really rushed. And in doing so, I should have taken the transmission out before I did all the engine stuff. So that might present a problem, because I'm not completely positive I have the correct torque converter. Because the torque converter I got was for an A340 heavy duty. But I can't find the email. I can't find where I bought it. I don't know. So I need to figure out more information on it. And I might just not have it seated right. Like, yeah. I'm not discouraged. This is going to get done. Lowering the engine at the end of the day actually just helps me with everything. And yeah, this is what happens when you do something that's never been done before. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and post this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. If you have, thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next video. Good night.